but let's see how it turns out.
Wait, what?
All right, guys, she's done for. She lived a good life, but done for. It's all Danny's fault. As you can see, got a little bit of a mess. Too much sanding, Danny. Too much sanding. Yeah, I got oil everywhere.
We went past the on-ramp.
I'm looking for the hole in the block, but it's, I don't.
Yeah, there's metal down there.
Where?
All over your steering rack. See the chunks?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They went. We were kind of just gonna go because they went. We went, and then right when
You hit the scramble button.
I didn't.
Yeah,
I did. I did go up one on the boost.
Oh, and there you go. There it is.
They blew it. It's all everywhere. You see metal pieces down there. I ain't even mad about it, Bobby. This engine owes me nothing. This engine owes me nothing.
Aren't you happy I have a cherry picker?
Oh yeah, we're doing this soon. I'll order an engine this week. Because this is not salvageable, so I can't even consider even probably building this because there's a decent sized hole in the block or two.
Y'all watch that video with the crew said 500?
Well, really,
That's what it looked like.
No,
I saw white smoke everywhere.
Big white smoke has come before with the move controller being messed up.
Yeah.
Like maybe that happened.
No. When I got off it, I could hear. I said it's gone. And it shut off. I was trying to get over it. It just shut off. I don't know where the hole is. Damn it, Danny. See, we're even there. When I started pulling on you, that's when it went.
Well, I let off because I was going to rear end Rob. I was running up on Rob, so I let off. And then you kept going, and I.
You thought it smoked?
Oh yeah. my GoPro's covered in oil. The whole front of my car's covered in oil.
It is what it is.
I just paid $12 for that car wash, Marty.
That's what it is, guys.
Oh, we're gonna test your theory of this $1,500 3 points.
$1,300. I'm gonna spend less than that. We're pulling an engine now. Let me call Howie.
Why does it look red?
It's got part coolant in it, or that, or a head. That's coolant.
Yeah, your coolant's gone.
Yeah. Yeah, it's because it got a hole in the block, dude. Hey, what are you doing?
I was trying to catch up with you guys.
Yeah, well, we might need AAA because I blew my shit up. Sorry I ruined everybody's cars and coffee, but you know, it's fucking Danny's fault.
Blaming me for that shit.
It is what it is. It's dead. It's dead. It's got a hole in the block somewhere. Oh, she lived a good life. This car's been boosted what, 5 years? I mean, I can't really complain. I'm not really that mad about it. I'll have this thing out in a day or two. I'm just gonna get an engine and send it again, guys. We're gonna send it again.
Great shirts.
Hey,
I got him that for his birthday.
You found the hole? No. Oh shit.
Yeah, there it is.
You found the hole.
That's terrible.
This engine helps
How
me.
long you been talking about the engine? How long it's lasted?
Yeah,
Like
5 years. This thing's been boosted for 5 years.
Yeah, but 2 years he's been saying it's gonna go.
I keep fucking turning it up.
You needed that extra pound.
It's been.
That's right, that 1 pound.
I used to keep it at 55, which is about 13. I said, let's go 56. That gives me another like half pound.
Or 9.
Sorry to ruin all y'all's cars and coffee.
It's still a great day.
I wasn't trying to. It was fucking Danny's fault.
I didn't do anything. I didn't even know me and you were really running. I was just trying to keep up with them.
Yeah, honestly, that's what I was doing too. I was like, all right, they're gonna go. I'm gonna go.
Yeah.
And then we both went, and I'm like, oh. then I.
Well,
Sorry, guys.
It's all your fault, Marty. Shit happens when you party naked. It's all good. Oh, here goes. There's all the cars.
They're gonna be like, yep.
Hey, we were coming too.
Piece of
Enjoy the show.
Piece of shit Mustang. Too much send it, boys. Too much send it.
Shit, enough said that. Oh, that thing lasts a long goddamn
fuck
time.
yeah. 5 years of boost.
Yeah, look at that.
Smells got shit and be done with it.
We'll see.
At this point,
We'll see.
You're gonna have a
I'll have a decision to make, because then I'm gonna need a whole complete lawn block to
Your
build
wife's
it.
gonna have a decision.
You're gonna send it home, be like, honey. You're gonna send it home, be like, honey, something's coming to the house. I'll be there later.
Yeah.
I still got cars and coffee to go, so I'll be back.
Just buy a fucking. Are you gonna buy like a junkyard motor or what?
I don't know yet.
Did you guys see Luis? I saw Luis.
Yeah.
We saw.
All right.
Just buy a junkyard motor and
I
then
thought-
fucking tear it apart.
Yeah.
Get the
Is
block
that the
done.
uneven?
I just gotta find, because a lot of people that build these, man, they're more problems with these built than stock.
Yeah, but you want to know what? You're happy with
Probably
it.
the same.
Don't.
I think it's even.
The only thing
Don't-
that
Don't build it. Just throw
Don't.
another one in it.
Just throw another one in. You are happy with this car.
Yeah.
I would. If you start building it and start sinking money into it, that's when you're gonna have problems and you're gonna be upset about it.
You forgot to put that bolt back in, and this isn't clamped. That's what blew it up.
That's what it is. That's what it is.
Right.
God damn it.
I don't know. It could have had to do with something to do with all these fucking wires going into these.
Yeah, bro.
Open it if you can and see what the fuck happened.
Oh, yeah, we can open
We're
it.
gonna tear that thing. I wanna
As soon as that
tear- I
motor
wanna
comes
know what
out,
happened.
you're gonna know what happened. You're gonna
Yeah.
look right under there. You can see
It looks like it's dripping right under. It looked like it has a hole in the pan.
Yeah,
You're
it's
gonna-
dripping right on top.
I wonder if your piston's going like Christina's was.
Yeah, you got some oil in there.
I do have oil, but
I don't know about you
but
guys
do
know.
you have a piston?
Yeah.
Because I think that's what we need.
on those. Well, he's got the 2 gallon of gas. You just pour it on it. He's on
Yeah.
triple A right now. Let her go.
Really, the best thing I could probably do is try and get you to that shoulder, because there's at least the double yellow over there,
Yeah.
where there's actually a shoulder for you guys
Yeah.
to hang out on, and you aren't blocking an actual travel lane. And we can move some of those orange barrels to the side there, so you guys actually have like a border all the way down.
I don't know if it's gonna run too
this
good
won't
though.
run.
No, yeah.
No, it won't run.
I can push you if you're
No, I don't want you to push. We could, I mean, if you can hold traffic, then we'll all push it. I mean, it won't take a minute to push it across.
Because we got rubber bumpers on the front. But if you guys want to push it by hand, I'll at least kind of guide you through the traffic.
I'll push it across. I feel safer over there than I do right here.
Yeah, if you can completely block traffic, yeah, that would be.
Yeah, I can. I'd just rather get you over there where we
Yep.
can move those barrels.
It's gone. It's gone. Finally. But now we get a new one. What? I think this is a bad thing.
Yeah, it's around the bend.
Right here. It's on the bend. I didn't sign up to get hit by a car today.
How's he gonna block all three people?
Hey, whatever
If you get hit by a
happens,
car, just run the fuck out the way.
whatever happens, I'll have it on video.
Yeah.
Oh, hell no. I'm not
Not today?
that.
Not today, Junior. Not today.
Hey,
No accident, not today.
you'll be all right. I'm surviving here with a leg and a half.
You might not be the only one-legged.
leg, bro.
Yeah. At least right here they have another. Well, if this goes bad, he won't be the only one with one leg anymore.
That's right.
Oh. This is a bad. Here, let's go.
There's no cars. Go, 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 go.
Go, go, go. You got it. You got it. You got it. There you go.
Rob is like, I'm out.
Sweet. It worked. Not bad. How could that happen once and we could have just jumped in the car?
No, we can cross. We'll be able to cross though. Damn, Marty, you almost put that bitch in the grass in the hole.
All right. Calling the wife, guys.
Hello?
Hey, baby.
Hi, honey.
Did you get good rest?
Yeah?
Yeah. Well, you want the good news or you want the bad news?
Both.
Okay.
What?
Good news is I beat Danny.
Okay.
Bad news is I blew it up.
Huh?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Jesus Christ.
It's gonna happen. You know what's gonna happen. I'm not even mad about it. This is not a surprise. I mean, heck, I've been pushing this car for 5 years.
I know.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's what it is, baby.
Okay. What are you gonna do?
Probably get another engine.
Getting home, smarty ass. I don't give a shit about the engine. I'm talking
Oh,
about my husband.
Javi's here. Everybody's here. Waiting on AAA.
Okay.
No. Just want to let you know.
Alright.
All right, honey.
Christina, he hit the scramble
What?
button. The Tesla was whooping.
That shit again, too, because my bonus ain't buying him a new engine.
Hey, the Tesla was beating him, and he couldn't handle that.
This is what you get for this is a charge for the Whipple install. I get a new engine.
Yeah, kiss my ass. I'm not buying you a new engine. You have been telling me for 5 years, if it fucks up, you buy a new one, you better figure it out, buy a new one. Nope, I am not buying you a new engine.
I'm fine.
I know. It's like $300. Isn't that what you say? So
Yeah, it won't be that cheap. It won't be that cheap, but it won't be too bad either.
Oh, yeah, he's happy.
No, we're not racing yet.
Oh.
All right, honey, I love you.
Yeah, I do that too.
Yeah, it's not fun when you're turning. You guys took off right there.
Who's in which lane?
Won. Look, Marty was winning. Y'all see Marty winning? Where's Marty?
There
There he goes. Watch. Pop.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? God damn it!
Beautiful. I didn't watch my stupid ass. Fucking get
Let me get behind him, yeah.
Right.
When you see oil smoke, that's exactly where we want to be.
Yeah. And then I'm like, oh, fuck this. Get back over here.
That's pretty good footage. It's got me pulling on Rob.
Did you beat him? Did you beat Rob? Did you beat Rob?
Yeah.
Dude, me and you were neck and neck.
Yeah, we're pretty close. That shit's woken up
But
a
it
lot.
seemed like your shit was taking forever to spool or something. Like it didn't sound like you were fucking.
No, I think I'm telling you, the engine. I think the engine was starting to let go.
Because I expected to hear.
Yeah,
It didn't. It didn't rev up super quick.
No.
Sorry, guys, we're a bunch of chiefs. I like this part. I don't get to push because I just get to record. Huh?
I don't think my car was
Yeah, your car low as fuck. Your splitter.
Every tow truck driver knows how to tow a Mustang.
Yeah.
Because I always tow like 5 of these a day. Hold on.
I told her. I said, honey, I got good news and bad news. I said, good news is I beat Danny. Bad news is I blew it up.
I want this video of him beating me.
Oh, shut the fuck up. You gotta beat you.
He got cameras. He got camera too. You'll be able to figure it out. He's got cameras.
Hey, but I'm driving home, so I won.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. I'll give you that. Oh, there it is, boys and girls.
Shit happens.
Fucking Danny. Fucking Danny. Nah. It was gonna happen. It was gonna happen. So it's what it is. Huh?
Did you text Pat and tell him?
Yeah, I'll text him when we get in the car.
I might as well go with you guys. I'm not gonna go.
This, I also blame him for this. I was nice.
Hey, I got here. I brought the tow truck. I want you to
When I met Javi, I was nice. I was happy being slow.
Hey, I'm the slowest right now. So.
Isn't this fun, babe? This is the fun part.
And I'll tell you when to stop. I want to make sure the ramp line on the front come back. Stop what you're doing. Make sure the good brakes come back.
times, baby. Good times. That's what we do. That's what we do. This engine doesn't owe me a dime. I beat the shit out of this thing.
Buy Bobby's Coyote before he puts it in his box.
No.
Slap your twin turbos on it, call it a day.
Yeah, I'll LS swap it. No, hell no. No. We'll get more evidence later.
I know, it's awful wet down there, honey.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah. Looks a lot like my car did when it did its thing. Liquid everywhere.
We've been through this before, eh? We've been through this before. We know what this looks like.
I know.
How much this thing putting down?
Oh, it's probably 620, 630.
It's 6 of them, right?
6 of them. Yep. It's
not
been
anymore.
boosted for 5 years.
It's like a 4 or 5 now?
Right, maybe 4 or 5 cylinder at this point. The other one's just gone.
Oh no, yours 8 too, so we don't know how many his 8.
That's true.
All right, guys. So there it is. We blew her up. I ain't gonna say finally, because it's not something I was actually trying to blow up, but it was gonna happen eventually. I knew it was gonna happen. Everybody knew it was gonna happen. So what happens when you push cars? Like I said many times, this engine doesn't owe me a dime, doesn't owe me anything. I've beat the hell out of this engine and been boosted, I think close to 5 years or almost 5 years. And it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. So I'm gonna decide what I'm gonna do. It's either build it, just drop another one in. I've even considered maybe return the car, put an engine and return the car stock, maybe get rid of it. I don't know, but that's probably the last thing I'd probably do. But there's a lot of options. I'm gonna sit there, I'm gonna talk about it with my wife and see where we're at, guys. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Like, subscribe, comment, because we gonna need some money. No, we don't. We'll be all right. But definitely share these videos, guys. I hope you guys, thank you guys for 10,000 subs, and hope you guys enjoy and have a great day. We'll see y'all later.